No.
Honestly, we're out of gas.
So, what are we gonna do now? I'm sorry I didn't leave you.
Can I ask you something?
What?
You know I like you, don't you?
Yes?
And I hope you like me the way I like you.
Yes.
I was wondering if you would be my girl.
Oh my God. It's beautiful.
Now it's official.